Welcome, every single one of you awesome people! Welcome to this weekly Forex forecast live analysis slash let's get some trade plans, let's make some pips, let's make some pips. Alright, boom. And welcome everyone. I hope that you're having a fantastic day today. I am happy. My name is Emil. Happy Ivan Emil. My name is Emil, a Forex trader, economist. Training for this for 7-8 years now. I hope that you also are doing fantastic today so that we can make more pips together. I have just posted my weekly forecast, this live thing here in my Discord channel, in my Telegram channel. I'm not so interested there, but cool. We have Harold in the house. We have Emil in the house. Cool. Welcome everyone. I hope you are fantastic today. We have one like already. I have purposefully taken off the AdSense for this live, so I hope that you appreciate that. Give it a good shot at following along and see if I can teach you something new today. Today is 28th of June. We have some interesting move today, so let's get through it. We have 2 mentorship students today. Great, fantastic. So, first of all, I want to mention that I have been off today. So whatever I'm seeing at the moment is the first time I'm looking at the charts today to analyze it. So I'm analyzing with you right now. I have not taken any time. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'm in a lot of pain. Not a lot of pain, but some pain. Can you guys see that? I mean, if you can see that it's a bit darker here than the rest of my head. So I don't have broken something. It's a bit swollen. Yeah, you can see it there. Yeah, so it's a bit swollen. So I guess it goes. Oh, we forgot to put on t-shirts today. The t-shirt's supposed to be there. Well, I guess. Happy days. That was witty. Hello, Muhammad. Take care. Yeah. What about pound yen? All right. Okay. Let's go, people. Let's go. Whatever we're going to talk about today is only only for education purposes, not financial advice whatsoever. It's only my personal opinion and only what I think is going to happen. Doesn't need to happen at all whatsoever. But your trading style, your trading advice, your trading is totally up to you. You take responsibility for your own trading. I can't because I don't have your money. So yeah, cool. Let's go. Just going through seasonality here. I don't have pound yen. I should buy this thing again. We can do pound though. So for June, end of June, pound is supposed to fall apparently until July. Okay. Has that started? That has already started. We are late. We're late to the party there. For Euro, we are supposed to maybe fall the next couple of days on Euro. So somebody asked me earlier today, am I going to do live trading today? To be honest, I'm going to go through pound yen and I'm probably going to close my positions. All right. So that's kind of what you guys get of live analysis from me. I'm closing our positions. I don't like them anymore. Markets are moving, so I'm not going to pay for something I'm not interested in anymore. Welcome, Lam and D Munches 1 to the Discord channel. Happy to have you around. Hope I can bring you some value, some knowledge, and some community. That's what I want to do. Good energy today. Yeah, I Volvador, eat your hand. Yeah, no, it's actually a hammer. So it's self-inflicted injury, and I don't know if it's broken or if it's just, you know, something. So, can you guys see the difference there, baby? I don't know. I'm not. Can you guys see the difference on that side and that side? Yeah, I guess. It's kind of blue, is it? Purple. Hola, amigo. Okay, cool. So, I wanted actually. Okay, let's go. Let's go to my trading account. Let me close out some trades. I had 66 pips, 67 pips. Yeah, also it's. Also, I don't know if I'm bothered to pay the extra swaps. How much am I paying in swaps at the moment? I'm paying a lot in swaps at the moment, and it's very little compared to the position size right now. But I don't like paying swaps every single day for no apparent reason. So. Okay, so the reason why I'm exiting my trade, one of my rules to exit a trade that's not necessarily spoken a lot about is lack of trend. So we have a new lower low today. Okay, we have a lower high today. If it goes above here, great. But we have our reversal. Everything is great there. Yeah, I have a massive headache. Oh, come on, Ivan. Shut that. Okay, pound yen. Currently, I would say falling, maybe falling. We had a good run last week. It kind of died out. Am I going to buy this one? No, not really. The reason why I'm not going to buy it is for the apparent reason that it's currently not making lower lows and lower highs. So I need to find some kind of reversal at the moment. There is no reversal at the moment. So currently the only thing that is available is to sell the life out of pound yen. So if you're wondering about selling here, and then selling here again is kind of what you should do. At least 153.83. I'm not recommend it. I'm not saying that you should, but I'm saying that you can if that's what you want. And I saw someone making the pound yen move, pound yen trade plan. Great, good on you. You can do that, but I'm not going to engage. I have not engaged in buying this one. This one did not work out, and this is mediocre trading. Whatever. You put a sell at 153.45. 153.45. No. MD, no. MD, no. Stop behaving badly. Bad boy. You can't sell it on support, bro. Okay? Now I have to trade left-handed. That's why I probably need to get out of my trades so I don't do anything stupid. Yeah. So, like, there's no reason, to be honest, to exit my trades. But it's just that right now, I don't. I'm supposed to give you guys a good reason. I don't have good reasons. I only have feelings. You know? And that it cost me money to hold it. And I don't like ranges. Yeah. If this is going to bullish thing, though, you know, it can do that, and I will take it when it does it, but on day trades. But yeah, nevertheless. So pound yen, yeah, so I'm down with that. Nothing to buy yet. There might be a reversal here somewhere. Look out for it, but I don't necessarily expect it to happen. But let's see if it happens. But yeah, so currently, yeah. The only other thing is we topped out here. We have had a 50% retracement now, give or take. It's not looking strong. It's not pound. Why, bro? Why? Why, MD? You have to go through. Well, I'm gonna be a more salesperson today. I'm gonna be a salesperson today. I'm saying, cool, buy my course. Come with me. I will take you on a journey. Mentorship, technical analysis course, whatever you do, on mnfx.com. You need more. You need more knowledge. That, bro. No. No. Don't do that. You are probably in profit right now, but that is some bad trading. I said 153.80 is probably a better sell. Okay? But you're very late, very low. No. News you should. If you guys want more, if you guys want me to cover your pairs first, please become YouTube members if you want that, and I will look at yours first. But yeah, Harold and Lou hasn't mentioned anything, so you guys are still so far in, what do you call it? In mercy, at mercy. Okay. And New Zealand yen, I opened the short position 78.24. Is that a better position today? 78.24. Okay, that's a good one. Good one for Mrs. Greece. Mr. Greece, sorry. In Norway, we call it Hallas. Hallas. So, Mr. Hallas, very well, good on you. And then you're kind of looking for it to come back up to 78 something. Hopefully. I don't hope it happens, but you know, it happens. I opened a short position targeting area 74.58. 74.58. I'm gonna be so mad at you and say, what are you thinking? I'm trying to think, what are you thinking? 70. You sold at 78.24, great, and then you are targeting 74.50 area. Yeah, everything is plausible. This is a good trade, maybe. What I'm trying to tell you, bro, is I think it might be overstretched for the summer, but I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you the benefits of the doubt, and I'm gonna say, cool, take it. But if you don't get what you want, don't come for me, okay? Because, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, this is kind of what I'm expecting for summer, okay? This is August. This is June, July. Okay, we have tops. No breaks until August. And then that's the top and the bottom. And then we have tops and bottoms. And then we have 300 pips difference. Okay. So, what I'm expecting for July, brothers and sisters, is a bullish trend on New Zealand. Okay. Maybe some range and then top it out. And then I think that is the monthly target, probably. Is that a monthly target? Can't see it. Okay. It is what is that? Okay, there we go. 1 day, 1 month. Great. Yeah. Okay. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. So it's against my expectation. You are currently, yeah, I would say 75.25, maybe more on the monthly. Are you in for something good? Yeah. Okay. Why do you think Swissy is not correlated with yen and dollar? Harold, you know me so good right now that you know that I absolutely don't understand Swissy. I don't trade Swissy because my mind cannot fathom what in the living creature is going on with Swissy. So I have just said, I don't understand, I don't know, I don't care. that might be too very bold of me to say, but for me to say that I don't understand it, I don't trade it, just makes me more focused on what I should be trading and what I could do, kind of a thing. You know what I mean? So yeah. Hey, Bert. Always a pleasure, sir. Thanks for this guidance. Bert Jones, you sound like a fantastic person. Why do you think Swiss? I think it has to do something with this. Okay, so Swissy in general terms gets weaker by the National Bank and B, by the Swiss National Bank as SNB or something like that. Swiss National Bank weakens it, but then the market strengthens it because of demand for pharmaceuticals, for watches, for whatever they're known for in Switzerland, maybe some Swiss chocolate, maybe some white chocolate. So it's kind of difficult to understand or guess which one is going to be more strong than the other one. Okay, that's that. That summer area you were looking at New Zealand yen would look very similar to USD CAD right now. Okay, we can look into that. So my general term, what I would say is probably the high probability trades for trading this year is a bullish run on New Zealand, and a bearish run on Euro New Zealand. So coming into Euro New Zealand, this might be the only time of the year that you make me look at Euro New Zealand. So I think that 1st of July, around here, I'm thinking we should go down. And then I'm thinking around 21st of July, I think we should go higher. So 21st, here, I think we should go higher. Okay, so something like there, something boom. Okay, something like that. And what do you mean? You should just go higher like that? Yeah, bro. You know, come back to which year is that? Let's take COVID year, I guess. That did not work out well, did it? Yeah, okay, cool. I said down, 1st of July, down, and then up 21st. 21st is this price here. So down and then up. Aha, great. Sounds like a rabbit. If it walks like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, it probably is a duck. Okay. Coming back into the other year here, we have July, kind of falling, and then 21st, rising. Yeah, okay, cool. It is what it is, I guess. But in the end, yeah. Great, that's kind of my trade plans. Shall I put sell on pound yen? Why, Mr. Astif? Why? For FX Pro is here in the building. Boom, boom. How are you? What about gold? Oh, we're gonna gold later. So, let me wrap up my strings today. Pound yen. That's the price you could look to sell from. I'm not saying you should, but that's when you can look to sell from. Only. So, great. That's that. Coming into maybe euro. I hate euro at the moment. It's not moving. I like to move it. 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 It doesn't move. And I'm probably going to take away the live support right now of it. I had 73 pips on it. I have 78 pips now, so I have 5 extra pips on it. But I think I'm going to pull the plug. Just for the reason of I don't need to hold this one throughout July or June, whatever matter. Coming in after the NFP. Let me show you guys. Okay. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. Oh, look, this is kind of what I'm looking at. Okay, this is last year, so this is like top, and then some kind of bottom around 21st. And then what really happened was that it skyrocketed within the range, by the way. Came back 100% back to the range again. And then just bounce, 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 bounce. Okay. So if we then take the bounce, 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 and we're bouncing from here to here's a new higher high. That's 11 days. That is $44 per lot I have on. Just for the fun of it, I will lose. So, if it makes a higher high and it comes back to pullback, pulls back, and I am going in for a kind of a weekly trade here, yeah, I can rather take that trade instead, or that trade instead, or that trade instead of waiting throughout this one. So, I'm gonna pull it. Hello, Maida. How are you today, lady? Are you looking beautiful today? As always beautiful. So I'm just gonna move that one there. Whatever. Do you guys hear that? You can't hear it. There you heard it. So I just called out 30 pips on euro and per that order, and then yeah, great, fantastic, boom, booked profit. Whoops, that was wrong. On live stream, you guys are welcome very much. So now I have peace of mind. I don't need to worry about anything. Great, fantastic. So as Aussie, is there any Aussies in the house? I guess there is Aussies in the house. Aussie, are we expecting bullish run in July? Yeah, maybe. I don't know, it's kind of difficult right now with the dollar strength coming in and all those things. But kind of what I want to show to you guys from last year is same thing, okay? It kind of goes range until like 1st of July and then boom. So that's kind of more, I can wait, I guess, a couple of extra days. So yeah. Until we kind of get somewhere. So until then, I'm just waiting. So without any whatsoever, what do you call it, pivot points or anything that will make my chart look messy and it's not price action, all of that things. Okay, let me show you, brother. Okay, here we have resistance. Here we have support turning resistance. This is support. This is also support, and we are coming down to the buy zone kind of a thing, but I think we're just going to be like that. And if you're going to trade this one, that's what I'm going to show you guys in the next couple of days. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, if you still have the trend with me, I am going to go into day trades for 1 hour, and I'm going to say if we have a higher high, higher low, that's when I can buy. So I cannot trade tomorrow because it's not higher than yesterday. Okay, so we'll have to wait until Wednesday now to see if this one is higher here, to see if we can buy it up again. Oh, Trader Queen comes in and says we should do gold. Yeah, don't tell my wife though. Don't tell my wife though. But that I have a girlfriend and boyfriend, girlfriends. But okay. Great traders. Tell me. What should I do on gold? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Where do you see this magnificent trading instrument that you guys have been given the access to by the almighty Forex gods on the earth. What do you see? Are you going to buy gold? Are you going to sell gold? Have you sold gold and have you bought gold? Beautiful, beautiful people. Just watch gold. It is consolidating. It's a range right now. Annika is back into town. I think coming Friday NFP will positive unemployment rate, should also positive gold, and other pairs move down. Mr. Harold thinks selling. Okay. If we look at the famous, now very famous COT report for gold, I'm just gonna go COT there, COT there. So COT report for managers says that they took a lot of profits on longs and added a bunch of shorts. So if you look into their trend at the moment, is currently a big drop here. The only question that I have to these managers here is, what are you guys gonna do in July? Okay, what is these managers gonna do in July? Because I want to build June up and July up, and it doesn't seem like they want to happen. So I don't know, bro. So if you are a seller, there's nothing for you to do here. If you are a buyer, there's nothing for you to do here. We can all identify that as a range. When you have a range, you do absolutely zero, by the way. Don't do anything in this market. I will come for you and I will sit on you and I will handcuff your hands. You're not allowed to do any believable things here. So until then, how can this look like? It can look like this. It can look like this. It can look like this. Or it can look like this or look like that. So how many options do we have right? We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All of these possibilities at the moment. We have the possibilities of the Pandora's box. So if you go to day trading, maybe does that work? Maybe, or something like that. And then you put on a range, maybe. Does that work even? Let me see if that works. So in a range, you would sell R1. Didn't work out. You would sell R1. Worked out. You would sell R1. Worked out. You would sell R1. Didn't work out. You would sell R1. Nah. If you're a buyer, you're buying S1. Buying S1. Buying S1. Buying S1. Buying S1. Nah. Not really great tradings, because you have spikes here that believes that you are going to go higher. And then let's go to the sentiment reports for these retail traders of your hours. What are they doing? They are on gold. They're mixed. They're 88% long and shorts added. Okay, so this sentiment report, if you are one of those retail traders, should be nothing. It should be no change whatsoever. Okay. I will check. Oh my lord! I forgot, James. I'm truly sorry, bro. I'm very sorry. Should have done that. So I will do that next. Okay. So for gold, we're still thinking this as our plan A, and come back in a day or 2 or 3 or 5 and see if it still works. And I think somebody Forex Pro commented about NFP. Okay, NFP I can give you for July, by the way, is going to be the lowest volume. I don't think they're going to do anything. It doesn't change anything. The market is not there. I don't expect much. I will be there. I will be live with you guys. because it gets a lot of attention. Wink, wink. But trading wise for gold, trading wise for NFP, it all depends where we are. Are we at a target? Number one question. Are we at a buy zone or sell zone? Question mark. That is the two most important and only questions that will be answered on Friday, which will then fuel either your buys or your sells. Okay. Coming in for DXY, this is where you sell and there's no buys. But doesn't mean that it can go higher. It can go higher, by the way, here. But the question is, where is it going to go? I don't know. This is not a typical trading condition that I have. I don't have it in my book. It's not in my dream charts. So I will just say whatever and I will move on. Okay? Great. Bada bim, boom. Thank you, Unmerciful Bullish. Thank you for liking my check profit zones strategy. Okay, cool. Euro we have gone through. It's just range, nothing more to do here. Maybe buying if it goes up again, but other than that, we are saying that pound dollar can maybe fall. So if you're selling here, great. If you're selling here, you are currently in a range. You need to break lower, come back, and then sell it again. Remember, I've also said this market here is where there is a lot of potential buys. I'm just saying, doesn't need to happen, but here we are. Okay. I will make this green because that's apparently what people do on this YouTube thing. And this is your Zell, and I will make this red because that's what YouTube people does. Okay. Good. Merci beaucoup. Oui, oui. Thank you. Euro Aussie for my unbelievable patient guy called James. You shouldn't have bothered me, called me and say, Ivan, wake me up at night and say, Ivan, what are you doing? Why are you not listening to me? Where are we going? Where are we going? Can't we just work around with that sell stop or buy stop pending order? If it keeps ranging, we're kept out of trade unless it does whiplash. Harold, limit orders is what you're supposed to do or can do. That is something that I do all the time. Also, when you are thinking of a range, this is kind of what I'm thinking about a range. Generally speaking of a range, is that you expect this to happen because that's what you have seen so far, but then you get kind of this outbreak and then it falls back into range. And we can do range trading this summer and see how it goes, I guess. You bought at 57.81. So if you guys have trading plans to give me, please give them to me and I will look through them. But if you are a mentorship student or any other, first of all, James, number one, break even. Number two, good job. Okay, that's me. You're welcome. We have yeah, okay, great. Awesome. It's a support. You have a higher high. Okay, I would probably have it here though if I was me, but should break even. Good. Yeah, that's too high. Because because you need to cater for this being your next buy zone, by the way, for tomorrow. And then if you go into daily for tomorrow, whoops, nope. So this is your buy zone for tomorrow. Jesus, unbelievable. Okay, this is your buy zone for tomorrow. So you can definitely tap the, at least the central. So yeah. Now break even at entry. Okay, Okay, Harold, how can I myself talk to you guys in such a manner that that promotes good habits? I would say that, okay, use small losses, small lot size. Oh, wait. Just use small lot size. One order, day trade or intraday trade. Don't expect much. If it goes fast, take profit. So what I mean by if it goes fast, like let's say, well, that's a very fast market, but if this happens, make sure that you believe it's going to come back to your entry again. Because it's kind of is, at least for now, is that when you unable, unless you are able to buy like very lowest low, when you have buys like here and then it kind of goes up and then down again and just doesn't do anything. So yeah, you're welcome. That's kind of what I'm thinking. USD CAD, I guess somebody was asking for that, unless I heard your prayers, because you were silent. So Sal maybe. Coming up to sell zone for the week on USD CAD. Is it bullish? Probably. So is it a good trade? Probably not. By the way, probably not. And okay. So where's my where's my humorous guy today? Okay, where's my character? Where's my clown? Where's my passion? Okay. So my passion today is that this is kind of where you would look to sell. This is kind of where you would look to sell. So do you get a reversal there now? Just taking away all my pivot points, all my trading things. And currently you don't have any indication that it's going to go lower. Okay, so now you're still just waiting. If you look at that kind, for example, here, you need this one to cross here. So you kind of need that kind of situation to happen. So you haven't got that yet. So you're just waiting. Did anyone subscribe today? Is there any new guys in the town today? Or did my subscriber thing take a vacation too? For those who didn't see my Instagram today, I was out by the beach, so by harbor, by the lakes. So I was having a nice day. So yeah, great. What am I doing? Aussie dollar, looking for buys, great. Coming back down to support. Doesn't have a higher high yet, and I don't expect it to happen to. Yes, I don't expect it to have that either. And if this is going to go bullish, brothers and sisters, don't force it, okay? Don't force it. There's no need to force it. What am I doing right now? I'm just looking for what has happened before. And it all depends on the general trend, I guess. But if we are coming into Aussie next month and then that, I don't want it to happen. But I'm kind of seeing the possibility of it. You're bullish in dollar right now until NFP. So we'll only bet dollar pairs next week. What do you think? Okay, cool. Is dollar bullish? Yeah, probably. Could be. Which one is your best contender? Probably pound dollar. US dollar. Maybe USD CAD. And potentially gold if he falls. Silver among this? Nothing. Okay, so I will make dollar bullish trade plans for you guys then. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, I just need to check something for you guys first. Can you guys check that first? Spain won against Croatia. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. You guys, if you're into football, you have to see that fault of the keeper. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen. That goal. Nobody is credited to the goal, by the way. Nobody's giving the goal. Because it was an OG. That's what it was. So, coming into this week's USD CAD, I think it hasn't hit the target. It hasn't hit the buy. Oh, it wasn't the buy essentially. Okay. So if you bought here, okay, then that was your pullback. Maybe if you get it trending, maybe. Did we check the oil yet? I haven't done that, yet, Pro. I will do that now. Also, everything is possible here, though, bro. Still bearish. Like, it can still fall down. It hasn't made a higher high yet, so it's still kicked off the M3 one. So you're still possible, though. But probably pound dollar. USD CAD is probably my biggest contestant here. Yens. Look at that one. Wow. Okay, so for the yens, that's the buy. That's the turnover. Question becomes, are we going higher or are we just going back down to this price again? I don't know. The reason why I don't know, is because the market doesn't give me anything. Okay, that's what it was. That's what it is. US oil, ladies and gentlemen, has come into the buy zone for this week. You can take it out from here if you want to. And when can you sell this thing? On the 1 hour, you can sell it after that. But if you're thinking of selling it here, that's probably your plan B. This is your plan A, and see how things is going. But still uptrend, still bullish. So it's very high risk. Okay, so you still need either break here and then fall back, or up to resistance and then fall again. Yes, I have. For your New Zealand, I want it to come up to sell some either 69.87 or 70.13 around this area here. Yeah, probably, yeah. Probably. It's not a rush at the moment there now. Nice pay, people. I feel like I'm losing a bit of steam right now. So, you guys take me move. Let's move. Let's take this one further. So this is kind of what I expected to see. It's just sad I didn't take profit at Thursday, Friday high on Eurodollar. My bad. Could have got 100 pips extra. The other thing is, yeah, it's summer. That's all. So my number one thing that I need to tell you guys so much is that you should not lose money now in these markets. So if you're pushing it, you are pushing a market that doesn't exist, okay? But what I want to tell you is there is trends coming, okay? These trends are coming. These trends are coming. These trends are coming. It's just not now. It's in the fall. And if you think you're going to be hero, another zero, and thinking you're going to ace it, yeah, thank you. Great. I will take every bit of it and praise you for all of that. But we do not have strong trends at the moment. Okay? So therefore, like, see, like, before, markets has moved perfectly before, you know? But it's just that in this July thing, it's not really a great time, I guess. Okay? Platinum. Interesting. Hit monthly target and in the main. Very according to my plan. And we probably need to take it back up again in... Let me see if I can see that. September. Yeah. By August. Yeah, by August again. So I can do whatever it wants to do here. So maybe I could extend it here. Great. But yeah. Probably over here maybe. Look to buy it again. So right now it's just in between somewhere. So my forward guidance for this week is nothing much. Nothing to do. Nothing to see. Pound might move. It's already moving. New Zealand might move down. USD CAD might move up. That makes Euro New Zealand up and then down. But yeah, great. Gold is range, nothing to see. Silver is range, nothing to see. Oil is falling, but hasn't fallen yet, hasn't reversed yet. But you can look for it. You can look to see that it's fall, because it can fall again. All right. It doesn't need to, but that's kind of what we want to see. Okay. Until further ado, please make sure that you are with your loved ones for the next month, that you are not barking at them, not being angry at them. Treat them with love, tender, and care, and I will see you again anytime soon. All right. Tomorrow I'm going to be live at the A1 trading channel thing at 4 p.m. So I hope you guys come there. Last week he didn't give me a good introduction, so yeah. Sell, target, counter trend, question mark. I don't know. Trade plans are done. Everything is done and set. Yeah. So you just have to wait for July, basically. Probably 1st of July is probably a good, better day to start buying that. Alright, have a good day, people. I came on, gave my all, and now I need to go and cry like a baby. Okay, take care, people.